Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to make columns or how we can insert columns and rows in your Google Slides. Okay, so let's start with the video. So here you can see I have one blank slide here, and I'm going to show how you can insert columns and others feature you can use to manage your columns or table. Okay, so click on insert, and here you can see the table option, and now you can insert columns and rows as many you want. So you can select like this. I just select four, one rows and one columns. Okay, it is selected. You have to click on it, then it will be selected. Now if you click on this three dot option, you can see you have to navigate your cursor on it, and you can minimize or resize it as per your requirement. Okay, so that is how. You can also move it. Okay, you can resize the column part also. You can also move it like this. You have to navigate your circle, and this plus circle sign will show you, and you have to hold it. Click and hold to your button, mouse button. You can move it as per your requirement. So I just move it in middle. So now when you click on the right, so you can see there is a option. You can insert the row, you can delete the row, you can insert the below's rows, columns, right columns. You can also delete. Okay, so if I insert the row above, so it will be insert. Okay, you can also change the color of rows or columns. Just select the columns or rows, and you can change color from here. Okay, this is line color. Select the rows and you have to color. Okay, that is how you can change the color. You can also change the lines. Okay, you can change the lines size. You have to select the lines. You can select multiple lines by holding the control key and select lines like this. You have to hold the control key first and change the outer line design. Okay, you can see they change. This has been changed. Okay, so guys, that is how you can insert the column and rows in Google Slides. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.